The price of LCX increased over 400% in 1 year, but will we now continue to move to the upside, or do we see a move to lower levels again? In this video I will talk about LCX and share my price prediction for the near and for the long term. So let's go straight into the content. First of all, LCX is on place 262 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $230 million. The coin is existent since 2020 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. LCX is a new cryptocurrency exchange and many people are using this platform, and from day to day more people are using this. And I also think that LCX is a nice project with a very high potential. And if we have a look at the weekly chart, you can see that we are in this bullish trend. LCX broke out of this massive supply zone. We then also broke over this last high right here. But then we just closed with this wick right here and then moved to the opposite direction again. And after this retracement, we saw this bullish breakout and closed with this weekly bullish candle out of this high. So this was the bullish confirmation that we can see even higher prices in the near future. But after this highs, we saw then this retracement back into this demand zone. This demand zone is this confirmed higher low, and we saw this push into this highs. We made a higher high. We then just saw this wick right here, which took much liquidity, which was laying in this lows. But then we directly moved to the upside and now consolidating over this last supply zone. And as we go on the 4-hourly chart, you can see that we are still building lower highs. So it's now really important that we can see a bullish move and break this last highs to the upside. So if we now see a strong bullish momentum and break this last highs right here to the upside, then we are again in a bullish structure on the 4-hourly chart. And then I think the chances high that we can see even higher prices. Of course, the first target is this last high right here at 40 cents. So from this prices to this potential price target, we would have potential over 36%. And then of course, the next really interesting potential target is this high right here. And from the price right now to the potential price target of 68 cents, we would have a potential of 133%. But for the long term, I'm very bullish on LCX. And if we would compare the market cap of LCX to the market cap of Kronos right now, we would then have a price potential of $4.29 and 14x. And I think this comparison makes sense because LCX is a newer cryptocurrency exchange and Crow is one of the bigger exchanges in the space. But if LCX would reach the market cap of Kronos from the all-time high, we would then have a price target of $29 and 98x. Of course, guys, this is just a comparison from LCX to Kronos. But as you can see, if LCX will be one of the biggest exchanges in the whole crypto space, we will then have a massive potential. And I'm personally very bullish on this project. Of course, the question is if we would reach potential price targets this bull run, that we see a 100x. But again, if we have a look at the market cap, we just have 230 million. So with a 100x, we would have $20 billion. And I think this is in the realistic space, especially if Bitcoin and the total crypto market cap keeps rising to the upside. And I think the chances high that we could see even new all-time highs for this bull cycle for the total crypto market cap, especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chances high that we can see even higher prices. And if just a small percentage flows into LCX, the chances really high that we could reach this potential price targets. So I'm personally really bullish on this project on the long term, and on the short term we are still in this bullish trend. The weekly chart is also looking quite bullish. Just if we are breaking this last demand zone and this last highs with a daily body close or 2 daily body closes and find acceptance under here, just then I think the chances high that we can see even lower prices. But as long as we don't finding acceptance under these lows, then I think the chances high that you can see even higher prices and continue the bullish trend. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like LCX, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I'm really bullish on this project on the long term. I think LCX has a massive potential. And if we have a look at the short term, I can also imagine that we can see even higher prices in the near future. We are still in this bullish trend, and as long as we are not breaking it to the downside, I think the chances high that we can continue the bullish trend. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.